So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. I hope everyone is doing good, everything is working fine on your side, and like always, everyone is ready to learn a new strategy. So traders, those who are joining for the first time, let me tell you one thing, that this is the official channel of Olymptrade. Olymptrade is used to conduct some sessions, live sessions, where we are talking about different technical tools, strategies, market news, market updates, just to focus on one thing, that we are able to help our traders in their trading concerns. So this is one of them. So make sure, before winding up this session, before closing this session, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family. So whenever we will be coming live, you will be getting a confirmation, and of course you will be able to connect with us, so we will be able to help you. I have already opened the chat section, the comment section. So in case if you will be finding any difficulties, any question, query, feel free to join me there. Just drop your comment. I will be taking care of those things as well. And before we start, I just need a quick confirmation from your end also. Please confirm if my audio and video is clear, because I want to make sure that everything is streamlined before we will start, so that if anything is required to be fixed, of course I will be taking care of that. So traders, just looking for your confirmation so that I can kick off the session. And as you might have already checked the name of the strategy which we are going to discuss, the name of the strategy is Horizon. It's a very easy strategy. Like those who are not into using technical tools, and those who are not aware that how to use them, so it is very easy. You will be using two different technicals from which you will be getting confirmation. Okay, so we got the first comment from Musician. Musician, hello, I hope you are doing good. Please sir, confirm me if my audio and video is clear, so I can just kick off. Let's go with the strategy. For sure, we are just about to start, so I am just waiting for more and more traders. And traders, you can also share the link of this session, this channel, with your dear ones also, because the only motive of this channel is to connect with our traders, help them with their trading concerns, so they can join us and make some profits. Okay, so just looking for the confirmation, or let me do one thing, let me just check from my device if everything is streamlined. Okay, everything is fine. Okay, 100% audible. Very nice. Thank you so much for confirmation. Okay, so let's kick off this session. Let me introduce myself again. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day, as I have already mentioned that. Okay, so we have one more comment. Olymptrade is fraud. My account is blocked since 2 months, and in my account 48,000. Gemtech skill. I am sad to see that you are facing some issues. I request you, please connect with the support team. In case if any verification is required to be done, I request you, please do that. Because once the account will be blocked, of course, see, it's your money, you can fetch it, you can get it. Okay, I'm not satisfied with your system. Bharat, just tell me, like, what's the issue you are facing with that? What's the difficulty you are facing? Just let me know, so that this is something good. I am also appreciating that if you are facing any difficulties, of course you should share with me, so we will be able to talk. In the meantime, if that is related to deposit withdrawal verification, I request you, please connect with the support team, because they are the one, because this 1 hour is only dedicated to the trading concerns. Okay, so again Bharat is also having a withdrawal issue. Bharat, just request you, please connect with the support team. Standard time is 24 hours to 5 working days for a withdrawal. Sometimes, like if majority of them, they are processed within 24 hours, but in case if it is taking more, then that will be maximum 5 working days. So I request you, just connect with the support team. They will be guiding you with everything. Okay, so let's kick off the session. Let's talk about the strategy. So the screen which is visible to you, this is the application version which I have downloaded in my mobile laptop. So there is a possibility some of them might be using a mobile application, or the interface might be different. But one thing I can tell you, that the strategy which we are going to apply today, that is visible, or that you can use in your mobile. Set of rule is going to be same. Let me show you how you can apply it automatically. Then of course I will be explaining that how you can apply it manually. So for those traders, those who haven't reached to the expert level and the strategy is locked for you, don't think that this session is not useful for you. I will be guiding you that how you can apply it manually, so that strategy will be free for you. Okay, let's talk about. So this is a tower where you can see at the bottom there is a button with the name of technical analysis. Once you click on that one, just go to the strategy part, start scrolling down at the bottom in the expert level. So from top it's the third strategy, expert level strategy, which can be used for FT, which means fixed time trading, FX, which means forex mode. Name of the strategy is Horizon. Let me click on that one. Okay, so a quick piece of introduction is visible in the form of video, then a written format is also available, but for now you don't need to bother yourself, no need to spend time on that one, because I am here, of course I will be explaining that. All in all, what exactly we need or what we are going to use. So two trend indicator, SMA 5, simple moving average with the frequency of 5, and simple moving average with the frequency of 22. Second one is MACD with the frequency of 12, 26 and 9. Once I'll click on the strategy, so everything is automatically displayed on my screen. Okay, so this is something like how you can apply it manually, automatically by the system itself if the strategy is already open for you. But in case if strategy is locked for you, traders, just keep on dropping your comment, nothing to worry. Whatever your concerns are, I will be taking care of that one. I will be replying you, nothing to worry. Okay, let me just give a quick introduction of this strategy first, then we will talk about your concerns, nothing to worry. Okay, so now let's talk about how you can apply it manually. So it's very easy. All you just need to apply SMA 5, SMA 22, MACD. So just go to the search bar, type SMA, apply that one. By default frequency is 20. I need 22 and 5. So I'll click on that one, change it, click on back. Again, you will apply it again. Again, you will change the frequency. Make sure you choose the different color. Don't click on cross, remove or reset. Always click on back. Then you can apply the MACD from the same. Okay, so in case if you want to make some changes in the visualization or the frequency, you can click on that one and you can do the needful. Once you click on these three buttons, click on save strategy, next, and your strategy is ready to be used for free. Okay, so this is the format which is being displayed by the system itself. I am just making a quick change in that one. That is just going to be related to the visualization, not with the frequency. So MACD line and the signal line, like these two lines and this zero level and this graph, that is also indicating the same thing. So if you try to observe, so there is an intersection in the downward direction, at the same time there is an intersection in the downward from here itself. So both of them are stating the same information. So what I will do, I will just hide one of them, and to make that visible, make it more visible, I will change it to line. That's it. Rest everything is going to be remain same. Now let me tell you that how this strategy exactly works. So just a minute, just 1 second. Okay, just 1 second, let me just apply this strategy again. Okay, so where is Horizon? Here we go. Okay, yeah. So one last thing, for this strategy you are going to use Heikin-Ashi candles. In case if you want to use Japanese, that is also fine, but the beauty of Heikin-Ashi candle is it is also going to give you confirmation with the help of the color. So color means if the back-to-back red candles are there, so market can go into the downward. At the same time, if the green candles are there, so they will be indicating that the market can move into the upward direction. Okay, second thing, second set of rule, as you know that there are two SMAs, SMA 5 and SMA 22. So you are going to focus on the movement of SMA 5. Whenever it is going to intersect the higher frequency, which is 22, whichever is the direction of the SMA, that can be the direction of the market. Now traders, focus on one thing. I'm stating that that can be, I'm not saying that that will be. The reason behind is these are just some mathematical based calculation tools which are going to help you to predict that what can be the direction of the market. Nothing is sure. That is the reason that we are also suggesting you that you should work on your money management, you should work on your risk management. Do not invest your complete capital in a single trade or something like that. So you should avoid following these strategies, like these techniques or these mechanisms or whatever you want to call it, but do not invest your complete capital in a single trade. Okay, let me just make the previous changes which I have made. Okay, so the first confirmation we are going to get with the help of the color of the candle. Green candles, market can go into the upward direction. Red candles, market can go into the downward direction. At the same time, whenever you will be finding any intersection between these SMAs, like 5 is intersecting 22 in the downward, market can move into the downward direction. At the same time, if the intersection is in the upward direction, so market can move into the upward. Second confirmation. So the third confirmation we will be getting with the help of this MACD. So you might have observed that there is one level which we with the frequency of 0. So just in front of that there is a straight line, and this blue line is keep on intersecting, sometime in the upward direction, sometime in the downward direction. So that will also try to give you the confirmation that what can be the direction of the market. So again, it is very easy to understand. Intersection in the downward, market can move into the downward. Intersection in the upward, market can move into the upward. So we will try to get all these three confirmation together. First one, the color of the candles. Second one, SMA's intersection. And third one, MACD intersection. If all of them are trying to indicate the same direction, then you can open the position in that specific direction. Now, second part, what should be this time frame for this strategy? So as per my experience or whatever I have observed so far, so the minimum suggested time frame is 1 minute for the chart, and you can take a trade to 2 to 5 candles. So 2 to 5 candles means if this I have applied a chart time frame for 1 minute, so 2 candles mean 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, or 5 minutes. So number of candles multiplied by chart time. That's how you can calculate the time. Traders, so far, if you have any doubt, any question, please write me in the comment section, because I am just about to start the live action. I am just about to start the live trading. So then we will be busy with that one. So in case if you will be having any doubt, any question so far, just drop me in the comment section. And before moving to the comment section, there are a couple of important things which I want to share with you. First one, traders, understand this thing. It's a financial market. There is a possibility of partial and fully capital loss. So considering that thing, it's not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. All I'm just trying to say, make sure you practice enough, you learn enough, so that you can move to the live account. Before that, you can trade on your demo account, learn the technicals, enhance your skills, then you can move to the live account. Second thing, even though this session is live, we are having a live conversation, but there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 30 seconds to 1 minute. If you try to observe your chart also, so the chart which is available on my screen and the chart visible on the platform, you will be finding a discrepancy of somewhere around 30 seconds, or it can be 1 minute also. The reason behind that is a telecast gap. So in case if you will try to do some copy trading, or if you will try to open some trades while observing the screen, so that can lead to some negative results also. So I request you, please avoid copy trading. All the trades I have taken in the past, or I am going to take in the future, or I am going to take during this session, everything is depending on my experience, my skill set. I am the one who will be responsible for my trade. Okay, so please avoid copy trading, please avoid aggressive trading, work on your skill set, then move to the live account. Now we are just about to start the live action. Let me know in case if you are having any doubt, any question. Let me take a couple of comments also. Okay, so 1 month completed, not credited. Baraji, I request you, please connect with the support team. I know, I'm so sorry to hear that it took a lot of time, but just check with the support team. They will be guiding you with that one. Just make sure that you have added the correct information also. Please make sure that whenever traders, this is for everyone, whenever you are going to make a withdrawal, this is something which I am also following. Whenever I am making a withdrawal, I am just checking the details minimum to minimum 3 times. Okay, so make sure you are also adding the correct details. You don't have any time frame here. I know Olymptrade people have taken away all money, they will not open my account. Jamtech, there is nothing like that. Just check with the support team what exactly is the reason, and they will be guiding you with that one. Okay, I have one question. Why does it says to pay to every single different person while deposit? Why it's not directly to Olymptrade bank account? See, musician, these all are trusted partners, are trusted agents so you can make the payment to them. At the same time, you can use multiple payment methods, like cryptos are there, or different payment methods are there which you can use to make your deposits. Okay, Baraji, I'm sad to see, but just connect with them. You don't have any time frame. I'm using this Olymptrade for last, but now I am very unhappy. Baraji, I am sad to know. See, you are with us from almost 4 years, so you know that how everything works, and I'm sure like this is the first time. So trust us, you will be getting your money for sure. Nothing to worry for that. Okay. The support team is also not providing any support. What should I do? Gemtech, they are the one, those who will be helping you with that one. Just connect with them, they will be guiding. I'm used 7 days, not an issue. I withdraw 2 times $40 and see, Royji, I'm happy to see that you are finding everything streamlined, and I'm sure that everything will remain streamlined. Nothing is going to be there. But in case traders, this is for everyone. In case if you are facing any difficulties, any doubt, question, queries, just direct to the support team. This is the help button, just go there. This is the support button, click on that one. You will directly, in case if you are on the starter level, you can drop them email. In case if you are on advanced level, you can have a conversation via chat. And once you will reach on the expert level, you can drop them email, chat, and one more option, like some of the regions, they will be getting option to give them a call also. But one thing I can assure you, if you have any issues with your deposit, withdrawal, verification, just get in touch with them. They will be guiding you with everything. Now traders, let's talk about trading also. In case if you have any doubts so far, whatever I have talked about the strategy, that how you can apply it manually, automatically, what is the set of rule, just let me know so that I can explain that also, because this is the main motto of these sessions, such sessions where we are talking about different technicals. So I request you, in case if you have any doubt, just let me know. If any one of you have used this strategy in the past and they have made some profit, share your experience with other traders also. So of course they will be motivated also, that how they can use different technicals. And in case if anybody is facing any difficulties with this strategy, they can also share their experience, because that will be something which I can help you with. Okay, so just let me know, just stay connected and make some noise in the comment section. I can see traders like there is nothing is there, like no comments, nothing is there. So just put some emojis, put some reactions, so that I can also feel motivated that yeah, somebody is there, they are listening to me and I am trying to help them. Or just let me know like from where you have joined also, because that is also very fascinating for me, that to get to know that I am sitting in one side of the world and someone sitting on the other side, and they are also listening and I am trying to help them. So just let me know so that I can also try to give you some more and more insights which can help you to improve your trading. Okay, so let's move to the live action. Let's see. Okay, so we took 2 trades, both of them went negative. Let's see what was the reason, what can be improved on that one. Okay, so we took that trade in the upward direction, but the market moved. Okay, so there was a quick reversal. Okay, no worries. Okay, so traders, let's start our live session, live action. Let me do one thing. Let me close these all assets first. Okay, and I will open a few currency pairs, few OTCs, compound index, some indexes. So we are not going to be very much selective. We will be just opening some on the basis of the profitability, because there are no such specific set of rule that you can use it only on that specific asset or something like that one. You can use it on any asset. Set of rule is going to remain same. So now we will kick off the live section. Okay, so make sure if you will be having any doubt, any question, just let me know. Okay, how to mark support and resistance, Cortex Pro. So Cortex Pro, in this strategy, if you are using it with the high Kanashi candle, so it will be a bit hard to draw it, but in case if you are applying it with the Japanese, that is quite easy. With high Kanashi, that is the only drawback, that you might not be able to draw a exact support or resistance level. So you can do one thing, just draw it on your Japanese candles, and what exactly support and resistance is. whenever the market is moving into any specific direction, or whenever the market is moving, so wherever the market is getting stuck again and again, that can be the support or resistance level. So the support is at the base, at the bottom, resistance on the top. In case if the market is trying to breach it and market is able to breach it, then there is a prediction or there is a calculation that market will move into that specific direction for a couple of candles, and then market will again start following some specific set of rules. So if I'll try to observe that much market, so this can be used as the support level. So market moved into the downward direction, stuck, again bounce back, again stuck, bounce back, stuck, bounce back. Finally on this level market breached this level, and on this candle we can assume that the level was already breached and the very next candle was just below that level. So on at the beginning of this candle there was an opportunity to open a position in the downward direction. Traders, if you have a great hold on the support resistance price action only, I can tell you one thing, that you will be able to make a very nice success rate on composites and everything. But again, it's not like that. Kunal has said that support resistance is going to help me to make profit, so I will be using that only. No, there is nothing like that. I haven't mentioned something like that. All I'm just telling you that can help you, but you have to apply it on your demo first. Try whatever you are learning from any source of information, just try it on your demo first, then take it to your live account. I have seen so many traders, like sometime I'm talking to some traders or during the live sessions or during the one-to-one sessions, so I'm just telling them, sir, you can use this strategy, or it's going to work like this or that, and then they are using that strategy for a couple of trades. And whenever I am having a next interaction with them, so they are stating that, no Kunal, that was not very useful, I made some trades but I was not able to make profit. Then I'm asking them, how many trades sir you have made? Some of them they are stating that, sir, 10 trades, 20 trades, max to max 30 trades. This is not it, sir. Traders, you have to use it thoroughly. You have to open minimum to minimum 70 to 100 trades, then come to a conclusion whether that strategy is working for you or not. And I know that taking 70 trades, and even each trade is for $1, and each trade is going to go into the negative side, that is going to cost you $70, and it's a very big amount. I'm always in the favor that use your capital in such a way that you will be able to use it for a longer period. So that is the reason that you can use the same strategy, you can try implementing that, but you can do one thing, use it on your demo account. Then even though if each trade is for $20 or $50, that is not going to affect your PNL. That is not going to affect your psychology. Now there might be some traders, those who will be saying that, sir, on whenever I am trading on the demo account, I am able to make profit. That was a very nice opportunity which we were supposed to grab on this level. We were quite late, so because almost candle was about to be finished, but I just tried to grab it, but I'm not sure if we will be able to make profit. Yeah, so they are stating that when I'm trading on live account, I'm making losses. When I'm trading on the demo account, I'm making profits. Traders, understand one thing, there is only one difference between a demo and the live account, is your psychology. If you have any doubt, just do one thing, open your live account in one device, open your demo account in another device, and then try to observe the course, try to observe the movement of the market. You will be finding exact same course. There will be not any doubt, like any single point difference you will be finding. And at the same time, if you think on demo it's going positive, on live it's going negative, do one thing, open a trade in both of them at the same time on the same device in the same direction, and you will be finding the same result also. It's only in our mind, because whenever we are trading with the demo account, we do not have any pressure to make money or to lose money, or we are not having any greed. So we are just focused, like how exactly it is working, how the charts are working. We are just focusing on everything, and then we are taking trades. But when we are working on the live account, we have a greed to make money, quick money. At the same time, we are just very eager to take a trade. Sometimes we are taking trades on that basis that it's been a long time that I haven't taken even a single trade, that let's open one position, it might go positive even though there is no signal. That is not the way we should trade. Okay, sometimes we are taking trades on the basis of that signal can be there, signal might be there, which mean to say on a incomplete signal we are opening a trade. So that is not the way we should use our capital, traders. Okay, so I'm just exploring different assets back to back. I'm just keep on shuffling my cards. I'm just trying to grab some opportunities, so I will be able to show you some examples. So as I mentioned that we can use this strategy for 2 to 5 candles. So I have taken 2 trades on 2 candles. Those were negative. Okay, so this one 3 candle trade went positive. Very nice, very nice, very nice. So let's do one thing. Let's open a couple of more trades. I can see that there are some more comments. Okay, traders. Okay, let me do one thing. Comments are more important. Okay, thanks. How to please draw a zone for example to know. Please make it once. Sure. Let me just do it once again. So I will try to explain it. Like everyone is having their different style. You might be having a different set of rule, but let me show you how exactly I'm going to. Okay, so you can do one thing. Either you can pick the wicks or you can pick the bodies. I'll be picking this one. So if you try to observe, market was trying to move into the downward direction, stuck here, bounce back, again stuck here, bounce back, again stuck here, bounce back, again back. So the more and more frequently once when the market will be getting stuck there, that can be the stronger the level. Okay, once the market will breach this that level, once the next candle will open up, you can open your position at this in the same direction. And if we would have opened, even though there was a green candle, and if we would have opened a position for 2 to 3 candles in the downward direction, we can easily find that that trade was supposed to go into the positive side. Okay, after that this level turned into the resistance level. Market stuck here. Again, market was trying to move into that specific direction. Now some of the traders might be saying that, sir, this candle is already breached, or this level is already breached, but this candle was already touching that one. And if I'll try to observe this one also, so it's also very near. Or if you try to focus on exactly on the resistance level, so that should be a bit above on the basis of like this one. So initially that was a support level if we will be focusing that much market, but if you will start observing this much market, then that can turn into a resistance level also. You can do one more thing in case, like if you're not that good with the support resistance level, Mr. What was the name? Cortex Pro. Yeah, so Cortex Pro, in case if you're not that good in drawing these tools, like using these tools, you can do one thing. You can use Fibonacci levels also, Fibonacci levels, or you can use Fibonacci fans also, because in that one, all you just need to hold on one lowest point, one highest point, and then just stretch those levels. So it will draw all the nearest or the possible support and resistance level. That is also very easy to use. Okay, so that can be used. Let me just analyze a couple of more assets. Let me just open a couple of windows, then I will come back to the comment section. Nothing to worry, traders. If you have any doubt, just drop me in the comment section how to use this strategy, what is the set of rule, how to apply it manually, automatically, because again and again I am just telling you one thing, that even though if this strategy is on an expert level, this strategy is a paid strategy, like it's a strategy is logged for this advanced level holder or the starter level holder, but still it's not required that you have to pay for that. You can use that money to make your profits. You can use that capital to trade. Okay, understand that thing. This can be applied manually. If you have recently joined, if you just joined this session and you are not aware about that, you can just scroll it back. I have already explained it in the beginning. In case if you want me to explain it again, just drop me in the comment section. Okay, so let me just have a walkthrough. I have just opened a couple of assets, so I'm just exploring them in case if I will be finding. Okay, so see, you can see that there was a very nice opportunity to grab. Okay, so in this one we are using Heiken-Ashi. So with Heiken-Ashi you can just have a rough idea, like once you will start using Heiken-Ashi for a longer period, then you will be getting a rough idea that what can be the support level or what can be the resistance level. And as Mr. Cortex Pro, he has asked about the support and resistance. So traders, this is something which you can use as a additional confirmation also. By that I mean to say, in whichever strategy, like if you are using the Japanese candle, whichever strategy you are using, doesn't matter. if you have a good hold on support and resistance, then you might be able to avoid some false signals. False signals means like whenever the market is stuck in such levels, so even though if there is going to be a confirmation from these technical tools, sometime market can bounce back from those specific levels. So you can do one thing, just take a break, just take a hold, just try to observe. If market is breaching that level and at the same time you are getting the confirmation from that technical tool also, then that will be an additional confirmation. You can think about that. But again, I'm not saying that you have to open a trade. Whatever you are going to use, whatever the set of rule you are going to set for yourself, you have to use it on your demo first. Okay. Okay, so let me take a couple of more. With stop loss, which is actually trading this fixed term, is so risky. Afro this is music. Yeah, like I'm not saying that you should be focusing only on the fixed time. You can trade with the forex also. Like if you want to use the same strategy on the forex, the set of rule is going to be remain same. You are going to focus the color of the candles, and at the same time you are going to focus on the intersection of the SMEs and MACD. But all you just need to focus, you need to change is the time frame. The minimum time frame, I'll suggest either 1 hour or 4 hours. The reason behind is because as you know that in forex mode, whenever you are opening your position, the longer the position you are going to hold, and the more and more the market is going into in your favor side, that the more you will be able to make profits. Okay, and let me just give you a quick example about that also, like just an example. So in case, like whenever you are going to open a position, like buy or sell, like in upward direction, downward direction, you just need to put your amount. You can either select it with the percentage, or I'll suggest better to put it manually. These are the multipliers. I'm just going to give you a quick overview. So multipliers means like the higher the multiplier, the more you are going to get leverage. But the higher the leverage, the more riskier it will be. Okay, so if you will be using the lowest one, then of course you will be getting a limited profit. But if you will be getting the highest one, you will be getting a high risk. So you can use any one of them, or you can do one thing, you can just adjust it manually. So whatever you want. Okay, then you can set up a pending order, you can set up auto close. You can set it with the amount, like how much profit you want to make. Like in fixed time, there is a specific percentage you will be getting behind every trade, and doesn't matter like whether the trade is going to be positive with 1 point or 1000, you are going to get that much fixed amount. But in this one, the beauty is that you are not going to be stick with that specific percentage. You can make even more than 400%, 500%, whatever the percentage you are satisfied with, or whatever the amount you are satisfied with. So this one, put your amount, like once that much profit will be there, close your position. Once that much loss will be there, you can close your position. So another beauty of this forex mode is like you will not be losing the complete capital. You can put a stop loss. So once the market will start moving against to you, like once the market is not moving in your favor and the trade is looking to go into the negative side, then you can do one thing. That trade will be closed, and the rest of the money will be back to your account, which you can use for your further trading. This can be done with the with the percentage, how much profit you want to make, and with the cost. So once the market will hit that specific code, close it. Once the market will hit that specific code, close the trade. So that's how you can use your forex. So this is for the buy. In case if you want to take a trade for the sell, make sure you change it. Okay, and one last thing I just want to tell you before you will start taking trades on forex. So there is a specific commission which you need to pay while executing a trade, that which is known as the forex trade execution fees. So make sure you are also well aware about that also. Okay, okay, first let me see. After signal comes from the strategy, on which candle we should open entry, brother. Okay, so Codex Pro, you can, like once the signal is there, like the confirmation is there, once that is already there, then on the very next candle, I mean to say that if you are observing that this intersection is already completed, okay, this one is also already breached this level. So once the very next candle will open, you can open your position. The reason behind is sometime you will observe that intersection is already done, but this candle is still in the formation. There is a possibility that almost 40 seconds or more than 40 seconds are still pending for the completion of candle. So there is a possibility that intersection is already done, the market is moving into the upward direction. Suddenly there will be some changes and market will bounce back in the downward direction and it will change the direction like this one. So there is a possibility of the reversal like this one. See, very thin layer difference, very small difference was there. So always wait for the confirmation. Once the confirmation is there, then you can open your position. Do not take any trade on the basis of that the signal can be there, signal might be there. Previously I have found some situation that where the signal was there. After such patterns, traders understand one thing, is financial market. Okay, so in this one there is an old quote that market doesn't owe you anything. At one moment market is moving into your favor, at the second moment market can start moving against you. At one moment market was trying to follow some certain patterns, after second moment it will not be following that, and then you can't blame anyone. So you have to go with the flow, you have to follow the trends, you have to focus on the technicals, and that is the reason that we are also telling you that if you are using some technicals, that is not going to ensure 100% accuracy. That is the reason that you should also focus on your money management and risk management. Okay, so let me just open at least 1 or 2 trades so that you will be able to see some examples. Okay, sooner or later we can assume that there can be a signal. First confirmation we got with the help of MACD. My MACD is also already intersecting this level. Color of the candle is already changed, so I am just waiting that once these two SMAs will intersect each other. Traders, in case if you are finding any signal on any another asset, you can also drop in the comment section. I will be trying to analyze that one. In case if the execution is possible, of course I will be opening up a trade. Otherwise, at least I will be helping you with the confirmation that whether you were able to pick that signal properly or not. Although it's already 7 o'clock, US market is already open. It's 7 o'clock Indian Standard Time, so US market is already open. We can assume that we can predict some sudden volatility also, so we will be taking precautions of that also. Let's see if any opportunity is there. Nothing. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's open a couple of more assets so that we will be having a bigger playground. Okay, so we have added some more cards to our deck. Okay, so so in this one there can be an opportunity, but I will not be opening a trade. See, again the perfect example, intersection can be there, but intersection is not there for now. Second thing, if I try to observe the nearest market, so this can act as the support level. Okay, so market can bounce back from this specific level, so I will be waiting that once this level will be breached, and then I will be opening my position in that direction. Okay, see this one, market stuck once, twice, thrice, 4 times, and this can be the 5th time. If the market will breach this level, then market might move into the downward direction. Okay, let's move to another asset. Let's keep on shuffling our cards. So wherever we will be finding any position, any opportunity, traders just okay, so okay, so this level is about to be breached. Let's see, if we would have entered on this position, there was an opportunity to open the trade, but we are quite late. Munch index, let's do one thing, let's use one RFT and open a risky trade. In case if the trade will go positive, I am just assuming my trade on the basis of this part, this start, even though we are quite late, but I'm just trying to analyze if I would have opened the position on this level, what could be the result of that. So we will be analyzing 1, 2nd candle, 3rd candle, which will be after that. Then of course we will be waiting for the result also. Let me just reduce my capital again because I have used a RFT for that specific trade. Okay, any opportunity, any, so let me just analyze these remaining 4 assets. If anything will be there, of course I will be opening a position. Otherwise, okay, very nice, very nice. That can be the direction. Let's see how it goes. So intersection was there, MACD intersection was there, red candles are there. Let's see if the market will follow this direction. Okay, gold, nothing is there. On Mahajantram, again nothing. Last one, Astro Composite, let me check. No, nothing is there. No worries, let me just check a couple of more comments. After SMA crossover and MACD crossover, on which candle should we open a trade? First or second candle, or third or fourth? So Mr. Cortex Pro, you can open the trade on the first candle, because if you will move to the second or third one, that signal will be old. After the signal comes up signal from strategy, should we check previous momentum also, or should we directly place? See, these are some certain some specification which you can use once you will be starting you will be grabbing a hold on the strategy. So of course you can use these things also. Like if you have talked about that one, let me introduce a couple of more things. Let me tell you a couple of more things. So the first one, you can also observe the formation of the previous candle. Second one, you can focus whether there is any support or resistance level or not. Third one, you can also focus on the trend. As we know that trend is your friend. We are always saying this quote in the market, that trend is your friend. So also focus that it should be a trending market. By that I mean to say that market is always moving into 3 specific direction: upward, downward and sideways. So this is the perfect example of upward, or like you can assume this one upward, downward. But if I'll try to analyze the sideways, so this is the perfect example of sideways. So you can observe the formation of the candles, very small body, big wicks, which are also indicating that the market is not sure that in which direction it can move. And at the same time, you can see that support level, this one 1 2 3, so 3 times market got stuck. Resistance level is also very near, quite near. So when you will start taking trades in such scenarios, in the flat market or in the consolidation market, you might observe that you are facing back-to-back negative results, and these results are with a very short difference, like 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, not more than that. So I always suggest avoid taking trades in the consolidation market. This is not something which I am going to suggest. Okay, so let me see. Okay, natural beauty, hello. How to use Fibonacci? Let me just give you a quick brief of that one. We will not be able to explain much, but let me just give you at least a overview. Okay, so in case if you want to analyze the market, if you want to draw the Fibonacci, so I will be picking the bottom of this level and then I will just stretch it. So this is the highest level, so it's like this one, and then you can stretch it like this. So in case if you are going to use the Fibonacci levels, make sure you are well aware that what are the golden ratio, everything. So that will be more easy for you, that how to calculate it and how to use it. So if you try to observe the market, so market was stuck on this level, bounce back, again crossover, again bounce back, again crossover, then market upward direction. So that's how you can use the Fibonacci level also. The fan is also something similar to that one. The set of rule is going to remain same, but in the Fibonacci, if you are using Fibonacci, I'll suggest use it either on forex mode or use it for a longer duration. Okay, so let me see. After signals comes on horizon strategy, on which candle should we place entry, brother Cortex Pro? I hope I have already answered your question, but in case if still it's you're not sure, like if still anything is missing, just let me know. Okay, Joshua, hello sir. Okay, so I took a bonus after I complete the turnover. Will I get all the funds or only half of it? Okay, so Mr. Joshua, as you have asked one question, that in case if you have used the bonus or if you have accepted that specific offer of the bonus, so how much funds you will be getting at the completion of that specific turnover task. So for that one, whatever the bonus which you have received in the beginning of that task, that will be converted to your real fund. Okay, but there is one more thing I just want to clarify. I want to just explain to you. So in case if you are taking any trade, and if you think that okay, if my trade is going positive and small part is going to my bonus and a small part is going to my real capital, at the same time if the trade is also going negative, then the deduction is also in the same calculative manner. By that I mean to say that if your bonus plus your capital ratio is 50-50, and if you are taking a trade with $100 and if the trade is going negative, so 50 will be deducted from your capital, 50 will be deducted from your bonus. At the same time, if the trade is going positive, you are getting $80, so 40 will be added to there, 40 will be added to that. Now some of the trader might be thinking that, sir, this is not fair, like I am not getting the complete profit. Now understand one thing, traders, if when the trade is going negative and you are losing half amount, that mean to say that you are also investing that half only. By that I mean to say, understand again, so if the trade is going positive, behind $100 trade is positive, I am getting $80, so 40 is going into the capital, 40 is going to my bonus, and if the trade is going negative, I am losing $50 from my capital. So in a single frame, if you try to observe what all you have invested, real money, as a real money, $50, so 80% of $50 is $40, right? So you are getting the same. At the same time, if you will be able to achieve your turnover, that specific task, you will be getting additional funds, which will be that your specific, that bonus which you have got in the beginning of that task, you will be getting it as your real funds. Okay, so that's how it exactly works. Okay, I trade in euro. I think that is completely fine. That doesn't make any difference, like whether you are trading in the euros or whether you are taking trades in the. Okay, so the RFT trade that went positive. Okay, this one Asia composite went negative. Let me see. So what was the difference? Okay, so there was not much different. What can be done to make that trade better? Okay, so if we would have opened the opportunity quite earlier, there was a possibility for the better result. No worries. Let's analyze the last one. Okay, so this trade, okay, so we are going to lose it on the edge. Oh my god, very nice. Okay, what was that? Okay, it was profit. Yes, very nice. So we made a couple of profits, a couple of loss also. So it's a part of trading. Every day is not Diwali, guys. Every day is not Eid. Every day is not Christmas. So of course every day is not profit also. So traders, before let me just take a couple of last comments. Okay, so here we go, trades in the Muj and Asia. So Muzishan, I hope that you have won those trades. Sir, please tell how to make support and resistance in 1 minute time frame. Ghetto fast, you can use that one, but I'll suggest like if you're applying it on 1 minute chart time frame, keep the trade time frame at least 2 to 3 candles. Okay, what is your opinion on news based trade? Brahmdevji, this is something very nice, like it's a very nice question. You should focus on a news based trading also, because whenever the some data is floating into the market, so we can predict that what can be the direction of the market. If we are well aware that what is the news, what is going to be the impact of that one, so that is something which you can use either on your fixed time or your forex, both the trading modes, because sometimes some assets are not available in the fixed time, but you can open the trade in the forex. So if you are using news based information, that is great if you have a hold on that one. So this is something which you can, I have seen so many traders like those who are doing some news based trading and then they are making good money. Traders, again I'm telling you one thing, that it's not that I'm just directly recommending you, I'm telling you that can be suitable, but if you have a hold on that one and if you want to know about that one, the best which I can suggest you, every Monday one of my colleague Akash, he is coming live on the same channel and he's talking about all the updates which are supposed to be there in the market, during that week. So he's talking about all the fundamentals. He's giving information that how you can analyze that data, from where which you can fetch that information, how to use that, what can be the direction of the market, on which asset, which specific news will be impacting. So I request you join with him, because today we are not having that much time that I will be able to explain it. If Brahmdevji have talked about that one in the earlier, so of course I would have tried to explain that also, but let me just give you introduce that topic, that every now and then there is some data floating into the market which is affecting the market, or which is creating some specific what we call directions or specific volatility in the market, and on that basis you can also make some trades, because trading is based on three things: graphical analysis, technical analysis, and fundamental. Graphical means whatever is happening right away. Technicals, whatever happened in the past. So you are going to use some technical tools and you are going to take some trades on the basis of that. Fundamental is the data which is based on the future, and you will be taking trades on that basis. So that's how you can try to grab a hold, or you can try to get some confirmation to make some profit. And traders, before winding up this conversation, before winding up this session, I just want to tell you one more thing. I hope that I will be getting a lot of thumbs up or hearts or emojis on that information, because that is something which is going to be very fascinating and very exciting for you. So let me tell you that thing. So like me, we have a team of couple of analysts. So those analysts, they are going to conduct a one-to-one Zoom sessions with you. During these sessions, they are going to talk about different technical strategies, market news, market updates, where they will be guiding you that how you can work on your technical skills, on your trading skills, and you can improve it. Now the best part is, whether you are going to take one session or 1000 traders, these all sessions are going to be free. No need to pay anything ever to anyone. So if you like this information, just give me a couple of thumbs up, so I can explain it a bit more. And there are a couple of things like you need to focus on. The first one, that facility is only for the expert level. In case if you are on advanced level, of course you can get that info opportunity, but that will be only once in a month. Okay, so try my dear traders, those who are on the starter level for now, I request you try to work on your skills. Join this YouTube session, connect with us, so we will be able to help you with your technicals and everything, so you will be able to make profit, and of course you will be able to improve your level on the platform. Once you will reach to the advanced, you will be getting one session in a month, and once you will reach on the expert level, you will be getting more than one. So you will be getting minimum 4, or in case if more availability will be there, of course you will be getting that also. And again, I'm mentioning all the sessions are going to be free, of course. No need to pay anything ever to anyone. Okay, and as I have already mentioned that these are going to be one-to-one live sessions, so where we will be talking to you live on Zoom. Only you and your analyst will be there, so of course you will be able to get the information at the same time. You can ask them whatever doubts you have. Okay, so those traders, those who are on expert level but they were not able to grab that opportunity, I just want to tell you that make sure your contact number should be updated on your profile section. Please avoid sharing your contact details or your personal details in the comment section. Just update it on your profile section. We will be getting that from there. Second thing, in case if you have already updated that information, you were not able to get that call, you were not able to receive that call, or you found that you are getting a call from an international number or from +44 number, and you just disconnected, or that went to the spam or any XYZ reason, or you are not even able to update your contact number because of any XYZ reason. Let me tell you the best one. Just go to the support team, drop them email, message, call, via any method. Just tell them, sir, I need some help in trading. Please raise a callback request. This is the contact number. That's it. Once you will be mentioning that to the relevant department, to the support team, they will be forwarding that information to my department, someone from my department will come into the picture. We will get in touch with you. We will be calling you or dropping you an email, and then we will be lining up your one-to-one free sessions on Zoom. Each session is going to be for 25 to 30 minutes, which is going to be live conversation. You will be able to talk to your analyst, and they will be guiding you with everything. And let me tell you again, traders, for this one I am expecting that I will be getting some, some hearts and some emojis, some reactions in the chat section, that each and every session is going to be free, so no need to pay anything ever to any. Okay, let me take a couple of last comments, then I will be winding up. Why the Asia Composite Index lost? Okay, so please tell me how to make it. Codex Pro. Okay, so Asia Composite one. Let me see. Let's observe this asset, this trade. Okay, so this trade, there was a sudden volatility also. The market moved, there was a reversal. Market was trying to market reversed again, even though we have opened the trade on a very nice opportunity, like signal was there, confirmation was there, but there was some sudden volatility. So this can't be predicted. If we would have analyzed this candle, so that was like a also not suitable enough, but that is completely acceptable. Sometime couple of things can't be explained. That can be the direction of the market, that can be the volatility of the market, so it's completely accepted. Okay, Muzishenji, I'm so sorry, we will not be able to take further trades because I'm just about to wind up. Then please tell me how to make 5-minute time frame. See, get off first, whatever the chart time frame you are going to apply, you can take a trade with the 2 to 3 candles. So if the chart time frame is 1 minute, then you can take a trade for 2 to 3 candles. If you want to open a trade for 5 minutes, you can use a 2-minute chart time frame also. Or at the same time, with this strategy, you can also when you are focusing on 1 minute chart time frame, you can apply a trade for 5 minutes also. It's also depending that how you are using it. Okay. Brahmdev, I am glad to see that you are working on economy calendar and you are making profit. This is something very nice. Like if you are based on news trading, so I have found traders, they are not focused on quantity trades, they are majorly focused on quality trades. Good to know. Okay, see, get a first, like whichever this asset you want to explore, like whichever the composite you want to explore, just click on that one, click on this button, so you will be able to get the complete information here. Everything, whatever is the part of that one, if you will be getting any data or information on the basis of these currencies, these currency pairs, or these indexes, that can affect that specific asset. Okay, best time to trade, that every time is best, but all you just need to have a grab a hold on market. At the same time, I'll not be suggesting to trade throughout the day. If you talk about me, I'm starting my day somewhere around 11 a.m. Indian Standard, and I'm winding up at 5 or 6 p.m. That this is the only session time when I'm taking trades after 6 or like after 6:30. Majority of time I'm already done with my first 2 sessions. Okay, mention the best time to trade. I just reached advanced status today. Joshua, if you have reached on the advanced level, if you want to grab that opportunity, do one thing, just drop a message or email, or just inform support team that you need guidance in trading. Please raise a callback request, and then if your contact number is already updated on the profile, good to know. In case if it's missing, just share it with the support team. They will be forwarding it to the relevant department. You will be receiving a call, and then they will be lining up your one-to-one session. Mohiji, hello. Can you suggest me a best time frame for news-based trading? Brahmdevji, if you talk about the news-based trading, like you don't no need to focus for a very longer time duration if you are trading for the FTT. Because all you just need to grab the opportunity. Once the data is there, once the data is published, you will be able to see very big candles. So of course you will be able to grab that opportunity. At the same time, if you are going to use it for the forex, then you need to focus on that how much percentage you want to make, what exactly is your goal. Okay, so traders, I am so sorry in case if I have missed any of your comment. I am extremely sorry. I will be taking care of that one in the coming sessions, and in case if I have missed something, if I have skipped something, just remind me in the next session whenever we will be coming live. Either it's me or any of my colleague, of course we will be taking care of that one. So thank you so much again for such an interactive session. Thank you so much for your comments. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead, and whatever you have learned, I request you please apply it on your demo account first. And one last thing, trading, money is there, but you have to invest not only money, you have to invest your time also. So I am always saying it's not only about earning, it's also about learning. So earning is there only after learning. Okay, also focus on your learning part, then of course you will be able to focus on your learning part. So thank you so much again. This was your host, your financial expert, Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. Cheers. Bye.